In Japan, since 1992, several Japanese TV stations broadcasted a series of daily news reports on a product called ionized water, also called Kangen water, but they labeled it miracle water. Ionized water, aka Kangen water, is formed by tap water going through an electrolysis process. First, the water is filtered from contaminants. Then it goes through a platinum-plated electrolysis chamber, in which the water is ionized and is divided into two types of water, alkali and acidic. Alkali water is also known as negative water because of the active hydrogen, which acts as an antioxidant. In Japan, many hospitals use ionized water, aka Kangen water, for curing complicated diseases. This patient had a bad case of diabetes and had to have his leg amputated from the knees. However, the doctor experimented with acidic water in which he bathed the leg first. And concurrently, the patient drank 1.5 gallons of alkali water a day. The result surprising. He only needed to cut the tip of his toe, and other than that, full recovery. These are pictures of innocent children with very serious skin problems. Also, here are some adults that have suffered with this problem for years. You can tell by the pictures how much they are suffering. Initially, they used Western medication to no avail. Then they tried the Kangen water, aka ionized water. They drank the alkali water first and were treated with the acidic water on their skin. One could see dramatic results within a few weeks of treatment. In Japan, some hospitals use the acidic water to treat bed sores for bedridden patients. The results is better than regular medication. These patients also drink Kangen water and have had a positive effect on their health. In daycare centers, the fortunate kids will have used this water since they were born and will be using this water for generations. Why does Kangen water and acid water have miraculous results? According to Dr. Shirata and many other scientists, oxidization from free radicals have become the cause of the majority of known diseases today. Oxidization occurs when an oxygen molecule has an overabundance of electrons, which then damages cells in the body. However, when active hydrogen combines with the free radical oxygen, then the result is water. The water which helps the detoxifying of the cells. During this process, your body is able to shift from acidic to alkaline.
A doctor who won the Nobel Peace Prize reveals a pH alkaline miracle that can help de-age and energize your body no matter what your current health or age, by ending acid overload and bad body chemistry. Just as acid rain kills forests, acid overload ruins your health. To be healthy, young, and vigorous, you must detoxify your body cells of acid overload by boosting your alkaline level. Doctors confirm it.
This process happens because Kangen water is a negative water. Remember, the negative water contains active hydrogen, which acts as an antioxidant. Also, an alkali body will help with your energy level, reverse sickness, and help with rejuvenation. Scientists proved of the acidic water by the use of the colored laser microscope. This is a view of the active germ cells. But once strong acid water was introduced to the sample, all the germs were suddenly destroyed. Here is a look. Look at the drastic difference between the after and before shot. In Japan, Kangen water is popular in restaurants, hotels, daycare centers, and even hospitals. In restaurants, acid water is used for sterilization and cleaning. They use the alkali water, aka Kangen water, to make the best soup and other dishes. In hotels, acid water is used for sterilization and cleaning without the use of detergents. Many hospitals in Japan uses the strong acid water for sterilizing surgical equipment, for disinfecting the operating room, and they even use it for washing hands for surgical preparation instead of the typical normal soap and water routine. The reason why this water can be used this way is because the pH value of the water is 2.4 or less, which can kill all germs and viruses. In Japan, the Kangen water is used for farming and on golf courses. The farmer uses the strong acid water instead of pesticides and get just as good as results. The Kangen water is put on the fruit and makes it grow larger and taste better. Now, on the golf courses in Japan, the acidic water is used to kill the insects on the fairway, which helps the turf keeps its beautiful green color. After all that you have seen and heard, you should be able to imagine the value of the Kangen and acid water to your health and your environment.
在日本，自从1992年以来，国家电视台就连续系列性的报道电解水，也叫还原水的功能。它们命名为精怡之水。电解水的制造过程是，自来水先经过过滤器，把氯先过滤掉，再经过电极板，把自来水就分解成酸性水和碱性水。酸性水是正电位，碱性水是负电位。负电位的碱性水是有丰富的活性氢。在日本的一些医院里，已经用电解水来治疗许许多多的疑难杂症。这位病人有很严重的糖尿病，他的脚已经溃烂了，本来需要截去小腿以下的部分，但是医生决定让他用强酸水天天的泡洗，同时还让他每天喝1加仑半的碱性水。在不长的时间里，竟然有了惊疑的结果。他只需要切去脚趾头，等伤口愈全之后，糖尿病也已经完全好了。这些小孩得了严重的皮肤病，有些大人也被皮肤病折磨得非常痛苦。你们看，这个女孩在经受什么样的折磨啊？西药已经没有效率了，医生给他们用电解水治疗， 让他们每天要喝大量的碱性水，还要用电解水机器流出来的强酸水来喷洒清洗皮肤。在很短的时间内，竟然有这么惊人的效果。你看，医生、病人还有家里人是多么样的开心呢？在日本的医院里，医护人员用强酸水来治疗长褥疮的病人，它的效果竟然比药物治疗更加显著。病人们喝了碱性水之后，改变了酸性体质，很快的恢复了健康。日本的保育院里，孩子们从生下来就喝碱性水，并且用酸性水来洗漱，孩子们真是成长得又快乐又健康。为什么碱性水、酸性水有这么神奇的果效呢？根据西卡达医生和一些专家们的研究，自由基也就是活性氧是造成人身体氧化生病的根源，因为它破坏了人体的细胞。当人们喝了碱性水，也就是负电水的时候，它里面大量的活性